Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to draw a clock. Excuse me, wall clock. So first you draw this. You draw a big rectangle. And you make a little round shape like this at the top, and you draw the clock. A little circle. That's the clock. You draw this. That's the clock. You draw that, the handle. Then you draw the top piece like this. You draw the thing like this. Lines. Leave the space open, middle space. You draw the two lines aside. And you draw the circle like this. And that's the thing that goes tick, 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 tick. And then you just color it in. Like you could color in like this. Gold. It's usually like a brown color. And you draw the brown color. There you go. That's how you draw the clock. Wall clock. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notifications on. See you next video. And have a very nice day. Thank you for all the lovely comments. Make me very happy, very appreciated.